You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from French, which famously means s'il vous plaît, means please in French. How do you say please in French? S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Plaît. It's normally an e sound. Some may say it as e, but that's fine. In English, you can say it as s'il vous plaît, French pronunciation, s'il vous plaît, English pronunciation, how to pronounce s'il vous plaît. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.